Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong. I'm David Kohar, and I want to introduce Tom McKee from Kennametal. Tom, thanks for being on the episode today.
Hey, David. Good to see you. Glad to be here. Thank you.
So, Tom, tell us a little bit about Kennametal, and then really with this whole global pandemic, tell us about how you've had to shift the way you're managing and working with your customers and, of course, with your employees.
No, it's been very interesting, David. A couple of things. First of all, we are a global industrial manufacturer. We operate in over 40 countries, and we've also been identified as an essential manufacturer. So we've had to keep most of our factories open around the world. First and foremost has been, ensuring the safety and health of our employees in the factories. So being very creative with the supply chain to get the safety products that are needed, the gloves, the masks, the hand sanitizer. When I think as far as interacting them broadly outside the factory, we've been able to leverage recent investments and deployments of Microsoft Azure. We moved all of our systems to Azure recently. We have most of our professional workers on laptops. We've upgraded our VPN, and we recently deployed Microsoft Teams, which has really enabled us to collaborate and connect with conference calls, video conferencing. The other thing that's really cool is we're starting to deploy more and more of the HoloLens between our factories. We actually have an OEM that has one of our HoloLens devices that's helping us train some of our factory workers in a different site on how to use the new equipment. We have some of our customer application support people looking into how they use HoloLens to take care of our customers during these times. So, great technology and something we're looking forward to leverage.
Yeah, super innovative things that you guys are doing. Tom, what's one question if you could ask the manufacturing community right now that you'd want to ask them?
Yes, top of mind for me is, where do they think investment is going in the future? It's always a challenge justifying investment in technology. Right away, people want to know what's the hardcore ROI. But I think if the one thing this pandemic has shown us, the companies, I think, and we're one of them, where you've made the investment in cloud and Microsoft Teams, the HoloLens, you've started to connect your factories. That really is paying dividends right now. So some of the folks that may have been maybe slow to invest or are kind of in that wait and see, where do folks see the investment moving forward? They think it will slow down, or they think it really will take off as companies realize that technology, from a business continuity perspective, a connectivity perspective, really can be impactful.
Yeah, for sure. And then finally, quick question, Tom, just from a on a more lighter side of all of this, anything interesting have happened to you guys over the last few weeks?
Yeah, I think what's interesting just in general, it's just how people get to see one another in more of an informal nature. So, you're on calls with each other. The executive team, people get to see us with our longer hair. Maybe we're unshaven. We put baseball caps on certain days to cover up the wild hair. Doing the virtual happy hours, coffee breaks, dogs barking, kids crying in the background. But it really lets people let their hair down, so to speak. And I think it really helps people build those relationships when you can see at the end of the day, we're all people. We're all dealing with the same thing. And it just brings a little bit of informality to the workplace. And I think people will appreciate that and respect it.
Yeah, for sure. Tom, thanks for being on the episode. We really appreciate having you.
It was great being here. Thank you, David. Talk soon.